Ever tasted summer? No? Well, today we're bottling it up in the most refreshing, delicious way possible. Strawberry lemonade. And trust me, this isn't your grandma's lemonade stand recipe. This is easy, healthy, and so worth the sip. You'll need 4 lemons, 1.5 cup of strawberries, and just a pinch of patience because, spoiler alert, you're going to want to drink this right away. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, are you team lemon, team strawberry, or like me, team both? And stick around because I'm revealing a secret ingredient at the end that takes this lemonade from to chef's kiss. All right, first things first, grab 4 fresh lemons, squeeze all that liquid gold into a bowl. Pro tip, roll the lemons on your counter before cutting them. It's like giving them a little massage to get all the juice out. Trust me, they'll appreciate it. I like to use a citrus juicer to make it easy. So watch out for seeds. They've got no business here, unless you're into crunchy lemonade. Next up, strawberries. You'll need about 1.5 cup, fresh or frozen, whatever you've got. And remember, strawberries are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, so you're basically drinking a health potion. Pop those beauties into a blender with 1 cup of filtered water. Also add 1 cup of organic sugar cane crystals. Blend until it's smoother than your best pickup line. Boom! Strawberry magic. Combine the strawberry puree with your lemon juice. Add 6 more cups of filtered water. Check for sweetness and add organic sugar cane crystals in 1/4 cup steps until it's just right. We don't want to turn this into a dessert, okay? Give it a good stir. Stir, stir, and voila! You've got strawberry lemonade. But wait, we're not done yet. Here's the secret to taking your lemonade from great to unforgettable. Add some fresh mint leaves and a little lemon rind. Let it marinate overnight in the fridge. It's like a spa day for your lemonade. And trust me, the flavor explosion tomorrow will blow your mind. Patience. My friends, good things come to those who wait. Oh, my goodness. This is sunshine in a glass. It's tangy, sweet, refreshing, and just the right amount of fancy with that mint and lemon rind combo. Remember, it's so good, it's not just for summer. You can make this lemonade any time of the year when you want a little extra sunshine. All right, now it's your turn. Go make this strawberry lemonade. Snap a picture for the gram and tag me so I can see your creations. And if you love this recipe, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little extra sweetness in their life. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.